Hello, welcome to North Florida Gardener. My name is Maida. When the pandemic started in 2020, of course, many people were in their homes and gardening, and, I was looking in YouTube for specific gardening videos that would help in Florida. So there's a lot of videos on gardening that are really good. One of them that I really like is HortTube, H-O-R-T Tube. He's in, I believe, Zone 7. He's in North Carolina. I think Raleigh, North Carolina. And he's kind of the closest I've been able to find to our zone, which is not even that close if you look at the map. But Garden Answer is really good too, but I believe she's Zone 5. A lot of inspiration, but not a lot of help to deal with the challenges that we have here in Florida, and especially in northern Florida. So I thought, maybe I can fill that need. And of course, I'm not an expert, but we can, learn together, right? So kind of show you guys what works and what doesn't. So I did try a few things last year. Some things worked, some things didn't. And then, moving forward, I will be trying different things this year. I have plans for this year. This is Zone 8B or 9. Depends on the map you look at. So we're in between 8B and 9. I'm originally from Miami, Florida, so lots of tropical plants. But I lived in the Northeast for 10 years. So that's, a different climate totally. And Gainesville really is kind of in between. We can grow some tropical plants and some of the plants from the Northeast area, but it's really challenging. I actually took like a 10-year hiatus where I kind of neglected my yard for various reasons. I was actually out of state for a little bit, and I just recently moved back last year actually, and I really want to get this garden in shape. So I just wanted to welcome you, and I was hoping to really offer some advice on gardening in this zone, but also I was hoping that maybe we can kind of go through this journey together, and we can help each other out. And please, 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 if I ever do something that's not right, or you have a good suggestion, or you have experience with something, definitely comment. Also, I am a single woman in my 50s, and there's some projects that are kind of scary, and you think, oh, you can't do because there's not a man in the house. But we're going to tackle a couple projects. My daughter just moved back in town, so she's with me, and we're going to tackle a couple projects that I hope are successful, and I can show you that, yes, we can do it. Mainly, I want to kind of keep like a journal, or just catalog the different things that I've tried or that I'm trying to do in the yard. I'm probably going to focus mostly on my backyard, but there are a couple things in the front yard that I'm going to do. So anyway, so I hope that you enjoy the videos, and if you do, and if you live in this zone especially, please subscribe and or like. And I'm not going to have very many videos anytime soon, but I'm going to try. I don't want to commit to a video a week quite yet, although spring is a very busy time in the garden, so maybe I can keep that up. But I'll try at least every other week. I think I can do that. I think so. First, I'm going to post just like a tour of my front yard and my backyard. And then it's only a 1/4 acre, so it's not huge, but for one person, or well, 2 people with my daughter, it's a lot. It's just a lot to tackle. And I have the problem of Virginia creeper and smilax all over the place. And I have a lot of laurel oaks which drop leaves, and there's roots everywhere. So yeah, it's been difficult. Well, hopefully, I think I'm going to start with my backyard. So I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Thank you. Bye.